Today's video is on the top 3 best wood fillers for large holes. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Gorilla AllPurpose Wood Filler. When it comes to fixing cracks, gouges, and holes in wood, Gorilla AllPurpose Wood Filler is the ultimate go-to product. It's designed for strong, durable repairs that last, making it a reliable choice for all your wood repair needs. What sets this wood filler apart is its unique formula, which spreads easily and allows for a smooth, natural finish. But that's not all. This wood filler is built for performance. Whether you're planning to stain, paint, or sand, you can count on a professional-looking finish that's sure to impress. Plus, it's shrunk and crack resistant, so your repairs stay solid and secure. Whether you're working indoors or out, this filler can handle it all. Just keep in mind, if you're using it outside, make sure to coat it with exterior paint for best results. And let's talk features. Gorilla AllPurpose Wood Filler anchors nails and screws like a pro, works with high-speed sanders, and even comes in a tight lock container to keep it fresh and ready for your next project. It's water resistant and moldable too, making it a versatile addition to your toolbox. Ready to get started? Make sure your surface is clean, dry, and free of dust or debris. Apply the filler with a putty knife, removing any excess as you go. For larger or deeper holes, you might need a second round of filling. Once it's dry, sand it down with medium grit sandpaper for a flawless finish. Before you dive into staining or painting, do a quick test on a scrap piece of wood. When you're done, cleanup is a breeze. Just wipe away any extra residue with a damp cloth before it dries. Soap and water will take care of your hands and tools, and don't forget to seal up the container to keep the filler fresh for next time. Remember, this product isn't meant for continuous water submersion, but for everything else, Gorilla AllPurpose Wood Filler is your go-to solution for all those wood repair jobs that need to be done right. Press that subscribe button like you're filling in a huge gap in your project. Number 2, best overall Minwax Natural Stainable Wood Filler. Do you have a few imperfections in your wood projects? No worries, Minwax Stainable Wood Filler has you covered. This wood filler is specifically designed to take on Minwax penetrating wood stains like a pro. Whether you're using oil-based or water-based stains, this filler is up to the task, making it incredibly versatile for all your staining needs. Now, let's talk about where this wood filler shines. If you've got cracks, small gouges, nail holes, knot holes, or any other defects in your unfinished wood, this product is your go-to solution. It works wonders on both indoor and outdoor wood surfaces, so you can tackle projects all over your home and garden. What makes Minwax Stainable Wood Filler stand out is its special formula. It's crafted to perfectly blend with your wood, accepting the stain just like the rest of the surface. That means your repairs will be virtually invisible once you're done staining. So whether you're fixing up a piece of furniture or repairing your deck, you can trust Minwax Stainable Wood Filler to deliver a smooth, professional finish every time. Number 1, our pick, WaterBased Wood and Grain Filler. Looking for a wood filler that saves you both time and money? Look no further. This high-quality wood filler doesn't shrink, sink, or crack, and it sticks like a charm. You'll only need to apply it once, and it's ready to take on any finish or stain you throw at it. Plus, you can mix it with any pigment, tint, stain, or dye, making it super versatile for all your projects. Now, if you're a professional woodworker or even just a DIY enthusiast, you're gonna love this. It's the world's only water-based, non-latex and acrylic trowel-ready wood filler. Easy to use and innovative, it's designed with the pros in mind, but is simple enough for anyone to tackle. Unlike other wood fillers that end up in the trash once they harden, this one has an unlimited shelf life. Just add water to bring it back to life and don't worry about freezing. This filler is freeze-thaw stable. Do you have a furniture repair, floor finishing, craft project, or even an instrument to complete? This wood filler is your go-to solution. It's easy to sand, so you'll save a ton of time on your projects. Whether you need to sand, stain, tint, prime, fill, or seal, this product has you covered. And here's a bonus. It's environmentally friendly. Not only does it offer 25% more coverage than other trowel-ready fillers, but it's also super easy to use. Thanks to its professional formulation, it holds onto water longer, giving you a longer working time, and it maintains its consistency no matter the temperature. And the best part? It's made in the USA, and the company stands by its product with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If this wood filler doesn't meet your expectations, they'll refund your money within 365 days. For a smoother application, we also recommend using the Rurdime 5-piece putty knife kit. It's the perfect companion to ensure you get the best results with your wood filler projects. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.